In the next 12 months, most sales teams will not lose because of competition. They will lose because their pipeline systems cannot scale with how buyers actually behave today. Whether you are a 2-person advisory firm or a 200-person sales organization, the problem remains the same. There is no predictable flow of qualified conversations, no control over demand, and no real visibility into what truly converts. Cold calling is ignored. Email inboxes are overcrowded, referrals are inconsistent, and most automation tools simply make the noise louder, not smarter. The modern buyer expects relevance, perfect timing, and trust. But what most teams rely on is volume, effort, and hope. And this gap between effort and outcomes is exactly where growth breaks. This is why LinkedoJet exists. LinkedoJet is not a tool, a software feature, or a campaign service. LinkedoJet is a complete outbound growth and lead nurturing operating system. A system designed to engineer qualified conversations the same way factories engineer production, and financial systems engineer predictable cash flow. Structured, automated, optimized, and built to scale, without depending on random effort or individual performance. LinkedoJet unifies 6 critical layers into one powerful engine. First, ideal customer intelligence, where we define exactly who you should speak to, why they buy, and what triggers their engagement. Second, message market fit engineering, ensuring your outreach sounds human, relevant, and timely. Third, AI-augmented personalization at scale, where every message feels one-to-one while operating one-to-many. Fourth, automated yet compliant execution. Your LinkedIn account is securely onboarded, campaigns run within safe limits, and conversations flow naturally. Fifth, a lead nurturing and intent conditioning system that educates prospects, builds trust, and prepares them for meaningful conversations over time. And sixth, continuous human optimization, where specialists refine targeting, messaging, nurture paths, and conversion quality. All of this operates inside one unified platform, the LinkedoJet dashboard. The process is simple and structured. We collect your business inputs and finalize your ideal customer profile. Outreach and nurturing sequences are approved, your account is onboarded, and campaigns go live. Replies begin to flow. Warm prospects enter the nurturing system, while meeting-ready prospects are handed directly to your sales team. Every interaction is tracked in real time, and weekly optimization continuously improves performance and conversion rates. For small teams, LinkedoJet delivers a predictable pipeline without the need to build large SDR teams. For large organizations, it becomes the outbound and nurturing infrastructure layer that scales across markets and regions. This is not lead generation. This is pipeline and conversion engineering. LinkedoJet transforms fragile outreach into scalable revenue infrastructure. This is how predictable growth is built. This is how warm leads become sales-ready conversations. This is LinkedoJet,